Geeta Modi. Today we are going to continue chapter 2, operations on large numbers. In this chapter our topic is solve the word problems. Let's start worksheet 4, question number 1. Solve the following word problems. Question number A. A uniform set cost rupees 1325. What will be the cost of 567 uniform sets? Can you tell me what we have to do in this question? Multiplication or division? See, in this question, cost of one uniform set is given and find out more. Remember, if cost of one thing is given and find out more, we have to do multiplication, and cost of more things is given and find out one, we have to do division. So in this question, we have to do multiplication. So the first statement is cost of one uniform set is equal to rupees 1325, and the second statement is number of uniform sets is equal to 567. So the cost of 567 uniform sets is equal to rupees 1325 multiplied by 567. Everyone know the multiplication? So pause the video and do the multiplication on your own and check your answer. So the answer is rupees 7,51,275. So the last statement is cost of 567 uniform sets is rupees 7,51,275. The next is question number B. One packet contains 385 sweets. How many sweets can be packed in 52,690 packets? Now tell me what we have to do in this question, multiplication or division? See, in this question, sweets in one packet is given and find the sweet in more packets. That means one is given and find out more. So we have to do multiplication. So the first statement is sweets in one packet is equal to 385. And the second statement is number of packets is equal to 52,690. And the third statement is sweets in 52,690 packets is equal to 52,690 multiplied by 385. Now do the multiplication. But everyone know the multiplication, so pause the video and do the multiplication on your own and check your answer. So the answer is 2 crore 2,85,650. And the last statement is there are 2 crore 2,85,650 sweets can be packed in 52,690 packets. Next is question number C. A rocket travels 7,59,600 km in 240 hours. How many kilometers will the rocket travel in 1 hour? Now tell me what we have to do in this question, multiplication or division? See, in this question 240 hours is given and find out in 1 hour. That means more is given and find out 1. So we have to do division. So the first statement is a rocket travels distance in 240 hours is equal to 7,59,600 km. And the second statement is number of hours is equal to 240. And the third statement is a rocket travels distance in 1 hour is equal to 7,59,600 km divided by 240. In my previous video, I already explained how to do division of large numbers. First, make a table of 240 and then divide 7,59,600 km by 240. So pause the video and do the division on your own and check the answer. The answer is 3,165 km. And the last statement is a rocket travels 3,165 km distance in 1 hour. Next is question number D. Mr. Mohan earns rupees 19,750 every month. How much will he earn in 8 years? What we have to do in this question? Multiplication or division? See, the amount is given in month and find the amount in years. That means less is given and find out more. So we have to do multiplication. Read the question carefully. month and years both are given. So first we will convert years into months. How? Let's see. We know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. So 8 years is equal to 8 multiplied by 12 months, which is equal to 96 months. So the first statement is number of months is equal to 96. And the second statement is amount Mr. Mohan earns in 1 month is equal to rupees 19,750. And the third statement is amount Mr. Mohan earns in 96 months is equal to rupees 19,750 multiplied by 96. Now do the multiplication. Again, pause the video and do the multiplication on your own and check the answer. And the answer is rupees 18 lakh 96,000. And the last statement is Mr. Mohan earns rupees 18 lakh 96,000 in 8 years. And the last is question number E. During floods, 43,725 villagers become homeless. The government put up tent, each tent housing 265 villagers. How many tents were put up? See, in this question, villagers in each tent is given and find out more. So we have to do division. So the first statement is villagers become homeless is equal to 43,725. And the second statement is number of villagers in one tent is equal to 265. And the third statement is number of tents were put for 43,725 villagers is equal to 43,725 divided by 265. Now divide. Again, pause the video and do the division on your own and check the answer. And the answer is 165 tents. And the last statement is the government put 165 tents for 43,735 villagers. Students, more you practice, more you will clear the concept. So complete lesson 2, worksheet 4 and brain teasers once in Maths CW. Remember, you have to show multiplication or division in each and every question in right hand side. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.